Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace EGR valve on Dodge Journey, only ways. Start by disconnecting the battery and letting the engine cool. Relieve any vacuum or pressure. Locate the EGR on the intake manifold, unplug electrical connectors, and remove mounting bolts. Carefully lift the valve free, replace the gasket, install the new valve, torque bolts to spec, reconnect wiring and hoses, then start and verify no leaks or check engine lights. Begin by taking clear photos of the EGR area and harness to guide reassembly. This saves time and prevents mistakes. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and any vacuum lines, then remove electrical connectors gently. Spray penetrating oil on corroded bolts and let it soak. Use proper size sockets and a breaker bar for stubborn fasteners. Remove the valve and inspect the mating surface for carbon buildup and damage before moving on. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step car repair content. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for manuals and downtime while parts soak. I share the link and other deals in the description so you can check them later, then come right back for the rest of the procedure. Now let's get back to the video. Scrape and clean the mating surface meticulously, using a soft brush and approved cleaner to avoid warping parts. Carbon must be removed for a proper seal. Position the new gasket and set the replacement EGR valve in place, hand-threading bolts first to ensure alignment. Tighten bolts in a star pattern to the proper torque, then reconnect the electrical plug and vacuum lines. Reattach the battery, start the engine, and check for leaks and normal idle behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.